Good morning, little birdies. I put this sugar water stuff up yesterday. There was a lady came by, had a mixture already. All I had to do was add water. So she was bringing that stuff to somebody else, but I'm so handsome, she gave it to me. Yeah, well, I guess they got their fill and they boogied on. Anyway, oh, there they are. They're fighting over the water. You can keep one on one side, one on the other side. See there? There's plenty there, fellers, boys and girls. You on one side and one on the other side. Oh, pretty cool. I'm glad that lady came by. So if I see her, I'll give her one of my YouTube cards and she can get to see her handiwork. This is pretty awesome. It's early in the morning, man. This is like 6 in the morning or something like that. And them little boogers are thirsty. Yeah. The other one left, he had blue on his chest. I remember blue-green. This one's got blue-green on the back, which is weird. Maybe one of them's male, one's female. I don't know. But them little boogers getting some energy this morning. Look at it. Whee! They're happy little birdies this morning. All right. Is that good? Huh?